So as we saw in the previous lesson that we can add pages onto the report. Now, since we have some more space, let's try to understand a few more visualizations that we were not able to cover previously. Some which you would use, or you might love to use it because these visualizations are awesome for some of the use cases. So based on your use case, you can use them. So for that, I will start with tree map. Tree map is a visualization which you can use to quickly analyze between certain data points. Like if you want to see, like here in this example, what I want to see is which product is making more profit and in which country they are helping to make most profit, right? So this is what I want to achieve. Once I bring in the tree map visualization like this onto the canvas, I will resize it. I can further adjust it later, but for now I have resized it so far. And now I will add details onto it. Like first I will add profit onto values, and then I want to know which product is making most profit. So here I can see that Paseo is making more profit, and then VTT, Amarilla, Velo, Montana, and Carretera. So in one view itself, I am able to quickly see it, right? A very clean visual. This is so you might want to use this in any of your reports. And now I want to further dig in and see like which country is contributing to the profit for this product. Like most of the profit is like for Paseo, it's Canada, and then United States is next, then Mexico, Germany, and then France. VTT product, this product is making profit more in France and United States, Germany, Mexico, Canada. And for like in Amarillo, Amarilla product is making more profit in France, then in Canada, then in Germany, then United States, Mexico. So likewise, I'm able to understand like which product is making more profit and in which country they are making more profit, isn't it? So this is a very good visual. And now let me do few more edits so it looks good with other visualization. That is adding some title onto this. I'll remove some of. So this shows profit by product and country. Let me change the text color to white and the background color to black. This looks fine to me. I'll increase the size to 17. There we go. So this was the visualization called as tree map. I hope you like this visualization lesson. We will come up with next visualization, which would be KPI. Again, a very useful visualization. We'll see it in the next lesson.